Alright, my people, Jamaican chat on the ground. We're alive. On Spanish Town Road, my people. Crazy. Like there's a big fire down there. Alright, my people, we are gonna get closer to see what's happening fully. I hear people saying that they're going home, the workers, them going home. Workers going home to the streets, busy, everybody in the community is out, my people. Let's see what's happening. So you have to maybe cross over here. So you can see big fire down there. So there's water commission down there right now trying to put the truck out, and I hear that a warehouse also caught fire. So I'm getting closer, my people, closer. Spanish Town Road, guys, completely. Alright, the smoke is getting dangerous, guys. Alright, the smoke is getting dangerous, guys.
Thank you, Jesus, for rainfall.
Alright, seems that they have to get out of this, my people. The smoke is... Alright, the smoke. Like you just need one clear way. Alright, people, you see what's happening? They're trying to get it out, but the smoke is coming in like crazy. Seems as if I'm gonna have to run from here shortly, my people. Go and check it out and see what's going on. Alright, people, see the smoke is coming in more. Seems that I'm gonna have to take away myself. I don't think this is good to inhale any at all. Not good for health, not good for anything. People, so we are gonna get closer to see what is happening up here. It's a truck that caught fire. Alright, so everybody is out. The other people can go home. Alright, so we finally get down to it, my people, and this is what is happening here. Oh, yeah. Alright, my people, so this is what is happening here. that Jamaica Fire Brigade is here. Very timely, and it's this is a truck over here that actually caught fire, my people. You see? So the warehouse caught fire as well, my people, and that's the warehouse in flames right there. Alright, and see, it's the main thing, the truck. That's where it really came from, my people. You can see out here in the Riverton community, it's just busy right now. Everybody is outside. Workers are going home. People are running for them. So the smoke just getting crazy, my people. And just blowing back that side. And it's wild. Everybody is running because I don't think this is something that we should be inhaling, people. I just don't think this is something that we should be inhaling. Oh. There, my general. I get screaming. Right. Pass me a pass and people realize, yeah, I said I can't make this stop. Alright, more fire trucks is coming on, people. More fire trucks coming on. This is just the Jamaica fire team in work, people. In full work in front of our eyes. You understand? And there's more trucks down there trying to come through. You can see wire burst down, everything, people. We're in the Riverton community, my people. We are in the Riverton community. Alright, this truck is coming through right now. This is what's happening, my people. Very big fire. That's the source over there. Alright, people, this is the mighty strength of the Jamaica Fire Brigade at work, my people. That fire is still there on people because I mean heavy winds, because I think these are a lot of chemical. That's a warehouse, so you can just imagine it's a chemical, a lot of chemical inside, so I think I can't get that out for now, now people. So I have a switch on going on my pot out pound now. They're not out for now, I can't tell you that. But anyways, we are here on the ground and people, I can literally feel the heat on my face. burning, like burning. This Elan powder, see there, it just blazes up again. It's blazing again. It's blazing again. Yo, the heat. I can feel the heat, people. It is literally melting my face right now. I have to get back. Very hot. Yo, the fire get back hot, my people. It was cooling a while ago, but as you can see what's happening now, hot like fire again. Yeah, my people, Riverton community.
Fireman can't manage this, it's bigger than fireman.
Spanish Town Road. All of that is going back over in Duane Park area. So all of you guys in Duane Park, if you're wondering where you got this from today, we'll see. You can see it live. Yo, I can feel the heat that tear off my blouse.
Drinking water?
Water. Them sell water,
Yo,
boy.
come here, come buy water for that. This one.
We heard?
Fireman, you're quiet, fireman. Well, I put fireman. Jamaica fireman don't need get under the fire. See that?
Yeah, my people, this cannot be contained. This cannot be contained, my people. Yeah, people, some more trucks are coming. People had to buy a water. Thing rough.
Tajay, buy one water for me. Everything about enough people, we can't go thief no. Everything about enough people, we can't go take no. The fireman can walk in the truck and drive in through the gate there.
Fire is extremely hot. It's extremely hot out here, my people. Hopefully I can stay until they are able to contain this. I am not sure. Alright people, it seems like it's just getting worse and worse and worse. See if I can get some action. The building is completely on fire, my people. Look at the smoke, look at the smoke, look at where it's going, my people. It's going back all the way in Duane Park, Pembroke, Red Hills, those regions, my people. I mean, smoke, it's gonna travel. Alright, but just check it out. This is the fire brigade team at work. See if we can get a look over at the compound of people. That's over at the compound over there. That's a truck over there that caught fire and then everything. All over. Even the fire is getting worse and worse and worse. Look at it. It's getting worse. Oh, 16 man, that's right, that's 16 Pro Max.
16.
Yeah, 16 Pro Max. Bro.
Graphics, everything.
Kita kejuk bakal gain.
No, no man, remember Jamaican chat. That's a YouTube channel.
Yo, you see all over so me I see all of me and like that 5 months and no they say like it my video. Yo.
Get a look over there.
All you host they go over so we smoke a blue.
Alright, people, the smoke is heading this way, like it's gonna cover me right now. And whoa, no sir, what is? Yo, people, I'm gonna take over, sir. This is not safe for people. See there now? This is what is happening here, my people. It's on Spanish Town Road. It is just blazing and blazing and blazing and blazing and blazing. There is no stop to this, people. Well, I don't want to say no stop because I want it to stop, but people, between the wind and whatever is burning over there, because it seems like it's chemicals. One thing I have to say, hell and powder house. More shots coming. Now I have my own channel, Jamaican Chat. Sorry, bro. More trucks coming with people. Alright, this is the response of our Jamaica Fire Brigade. See it there? This is the response team, Fire Brigade. I see people, the road is just coming very down. It's getting very down. People, let's check it out and see what's happening. Yeah. Hold up. See more water coming with people, trucks, everything. Alright people, I just hope we can get this thing contained. I don't know, this community is not really a nice community, so I don't want to be here all long. Plus my car is parked all the way up there. I don't even know if it is safe. Alright people, and for the second time it looks like it's cooling down. But I see this happen already. Well, I'm seeing white smokes now. So I don't know, white smoke should be a good thing. Not the Pope or anything people, but there wasn't any white smokes earlier on. It was just fully black. So I don't know if the chemicals are burning off now. I don't know. Tell me in the comment section now people. No, I'm not live, Yeah. So there's the understanding, this is what caused everything. Brown Adelaide! Active! Active on the ground! How we really going? Where's the plain and straight? I jail about them. Lord, and people, looks like it's coming to a calm again. Looks like it's coming to a calm again. So very good job to the Jamaica Fire Brigade team. Seems like we're getting it under wraps now. Alright my people, so I think that we're pretty much... Alright, the fire is still there based on what I'm seeing here. The fire is still in there. That's the fire over there. And it looked like it had built up again. Is IGL that is IGL over there?
No, it's IGL up there.
Up there, sir.
IGL look to the right, sir.
That me just there, sir, because to them I say IGL. So which part we know the company name? Seal. Yeah, but it go down already and...
Yeah, go down already. And then come back up.
And blaze even worse than before. Alright my people, my car is all the way up there. I think I'm gonna have to go up there to just to see even if it's still there. Alright, so that's our team. So our team getting in there, my people. You can see a lot of things on the road. Burn things, these are wires off the post right here. Supposed to be stretched all the way over there, but you see what's happening now. So this is just where's the gas? How will let's just see the gas a leak? Watch a gas. Hold up people, hold up. Gas is still leaking from the truck here, my people. Gas is leaking from the truck. I think we need to tell, I think with them see this?
No, sure.
Say gas are come out high? Sorry. Alright, so let I guess they run come back down here, so. Oh, but it now got in there, so I guess and people, you can see so the building is on fire. Look at it. Even a board right here, so beside me, is on fire. What the heck is happening here?
Spanish Road, this is Sealy.
Now people, so it's happening at Sealy Pastapedic, my people. The mattress company. Alright, so they're trying to wash away but I don't think water can wash away gas.
There's a pain in there, tell you.
People, looks like we have it contained now. Looks like we can safely say it is being contained now, my people. Can blaze up up in a 2 seconds, who knows? But it looks like it's being contained now, my people. Alright. You see, this is our fire brigade team at work. Alright, my people, I think we have it contained now. You understand? So it is the mattress company, Sealy, that caught fire, my people. This is the warehouse right here, and this is the truck where it all started from, my people. And you see, we just saw the gas leaking from the truck and all of that. So, yeah, information in a nutshell. Seems like we have it under control now, my people. And people, my apologies because my vehicle is parked all the way up there. I really need to get to it to see if everything is okay. This is our professionals at work. Let me just say from this video, very good job done, Jamaica Fire Brigade. Understand? Manners is a great job. Alright, looks like it's contained, my people. Looks like it's contained. Looks like it's contained. And people, you see we are at Riverton community, my people. Riverton community. Spanish Town Road. Still see some fire inside. Still see some fire inside, my people. Right here. Yeah, that. Alright, my people, we're going to wait for the end results like everybody else. Alright. But this is contained. I'm going to safely say this is contained. The smoke was black, it's now white. Should be getting better.